Hi there, welcome to Bell CB. We've got a repair and upgrade report for Jeff in Texas. Jeff sent me this radio and the amplifier. So the first thing we did was we soldered some stuff inside the amplifier. He wanted it done, added this fan, added the grill, and in the radio we redid the Roger fart board, put a switch in the back for the fart, a switch on the side for the on and off, put new covers on the top and bottom, repaired some solder problems up inside the radio, resoldered all the regulators and finals, re-greased the heat sinks. Let's see, put this new cord on the microphone, put the new meter in the radio. Let's check it out, Jeff. Alright, this is the radio by itself. Got 10 watts there across the top scale, coming in at about 2 on low power. I got you at 6 at high power, both of which can drive the amplifier. Alright, peak power on a 50 watt slug. Across the top here, 20, 30, 40, 50. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Now that's in high power. If I put it in low power, audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, check, check. You see, it's going to the same amount. That's because we have also put inside a Top Gun modulator. So here's low power, really low dead key. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, 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 check. But that's a full 45 watts of peak power. Audio check, 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 check. Audio. Let's turn the echo down some. Echo's going crazy. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. And then in high power, audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. Audio. Okay. Audio check, check. Now let me put it on low. Let's kick on the fat boy. And we'll change this to 100 watt scale right here. And we'll change this to a 1000 watt scale. So on this meter we'll be reading across the bottom, there's 400. 300 is the little line. On this one we're 100 watts across the top. So amplifier in high power gives us 80 watts carrier. Peak reading. Audio check, 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 check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 380, 385. And then if we take the radio, put it where he's going to run it most of the time in low power, it gets about 25 watts, 20, 25. And the peak power, again because of the Top Gun modulator, audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Okay. Well, there you have it. Oh, you didn't get to hear it. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the Roger beep, and that's the Roger fart. Alright. Audio. Check. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, check, check. Audio. Check, check, check. Okay, let's put it on the air. Breaker 19 for radio check. How about at 19? Can I get a radio check? Break, break, break. 10-4 on a radio check from the Roadrunner.